Hi, beautiful human being. Welcome to your soft spoken English class. This is an English listening practice for beginners. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand better and learn new words. Today's topic is exciting. Goals. Have you ever seen the hashtag goals? People use it to talk about things they want to achieve. Big dreams, exciting plans, and personal challenges. There are two types of goals: short term goals and long term goals. Short term goals are goals you want to reach in a few days, weeks, or months. Long term goals are goals that take years to achieve. I will share three short term goals and three long term goals so you can understand better what I'm talking about. And guess what? You will do the same. Yes, so you can practice your writing and also picture yourself in the future. What you want to do, where you want to go, what you want to be. Why do we need to set goals? There is a saying: if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. This means that if you don't make a plan, you might never achieve what you want. So, let's start thinking about your goals. I can start. My short term goals are running a half marathon. Why do I want to do this? Well, I started running last year. 5K, 10K, but never 21 kilometers, which is a half marathon. I have been training for over a month. This has taught me to be resilient. New word. A resilient person is someone who doesn't give up when things are difficult. It is important to challenge yourself because challenges teach you discipline, doing things even when you don't feel like it, and patience, waiting and working for results. By the way, I am doing this half marathon this Sunday. That is why it's a short term goal. Another short term goal is volunteering abroad this summer. I want to volunteer in Mexico. Since I'm graduating this summer, I will have more freedom. And for me, freedom is everything. What is volunteering? Volunteering is when you exchange your work for food and a place to stay. I have never volunteered before, but I know it is an amazing experience. You get to visit new places, meet like minded people, people who think like you, and open your mind to new perspectives. Another short term goal is grow my social media community. I put this in my short term goals, even though I know it takes a long time. Right now, I am working on it, and it takes patience, consistency, posting regularly, effort, and love. I love talking and sharing, but honestly, the editing part, um, not my favorite. But I know it's teaching me a lot, so it is worth it. Now it's your turn. I shared my short term goals with you, and now I want to hear yours. Pause this video and think. Write your goals in the comments below, or in your journal, or even on a piece of paper. I don't care. Write your short term goals. What do you want to do in the next few days, weeks, or months? Some examples of short term goals: study English for 30 minutes every day, exercise more, even save money to buy a new phone, to buy something nice. Pause this video and write them down. Okay, now let's talk about long term goals. What? There's more goals? Yes, of course, there's more. Long term goals are big goals you want to achieve in a year, in 5 years, in 10 years, or even more years. Since they take a long time, we call them long term goals. I can start sharing my long term goals. Number one, one of my long term goals is having my own business. I still don't know what type of business I want to have, but I know I want freedom to control my time, work life balance, not just working all the time. Remember that you control your own life. Another long term goal is traveling the world. I want to visit so many places, meet amazing people, and experience different cultures. Specifically, I want to visit every state of Mexico because I need to know my own country. Another long term goal is earning a YouTube Creator Award. I might be daydreaming because this is only my second video on YouTube. But I love making videos. I've always dreamed of having a YouTube channel since I was like 12 years old. And if you're still watching this video, comment below what topics would you like me to talk about. I will read your comments. Now it's your turn. I shared my long term goals. Now I want to hear yours. Pause this video and think. Write your goals in the comments, in a journal, or in a piece of paper. What do you want to do in the next few years? Maybe buy a house, maybe start a business, maybe travel to different countries. Pause this video and think. Okay, now remember this. Whenever you feel lazy or say, I don't want to do this, remember this video. I am rooting for you. If you don't work for your goals, then who will? You need to work for yourself. You can even come back later and ask, did I actually accomplish those goals? Let's accomplish our goals together in this only life that we have. Remember that good things take time. Stay resilient and work for your goals. Like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!